G'day guys, we're out here at Penrith today. We'll be installing a new intercom system. We're going to be replacing the old one with this new Panasonic door station, and it's got monitors to go with.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Beautiful.
Hi, can I please come in?
Of course you can.
Thank you.
So we're going to start in block A. There's 8 units to do, and then in block B we've got another 9-10 units. Okay, so I'll just show you one of the reasons we're replacing this unit is because this is the original unit which someone had a good go at, and yeah, and when we got here was just the speakers was damaged and it was making a loud noise. So that's the new baby we'll be replacing this with, and yeah, happy days. G'day guys, this is our new Panasonic door station we just installed. As you can see, it's a nice finish, it's come out clean. It's a new version from Panasonic. If you would like one of these installed in your home, apartment or office, please give Oztech Spark support. Thank you.